Par of levels for crude oil today, we have seen it respecting 72.4, which I have mentioned in last few updates that this is going to remain the prime support here. It has respected this, has now has bounced back and trading above 73. While the natural gas has erased some of the gains, it has moved now towards 3.3634 zone, the next support zone, as we have discussed earlier in the day. So what to expect now from oil and gas, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first. We look into oil, followed with gas. Watch. You see, oil on the hourly charts is now moving towards 73.2, the critical resistances, and once it stays above 73.2, I'll be looking forward to 73.5, 73.6, and then 74 levels. If it breaks these two levels, you can say that the bulls are back. Right now on the hourly charts, the moving averages are crossing over. The prices are trading with divergence from the moving average. It is now trying to converge towards it. 73.2 is a good resistance, and then be careful till towards 74. In fact, stochastic overbought, MACD hitting the lows here, hitting the bottom, now crossing over here for the buys. Good sign for the bulls here. RSI is rising, again a very good sign for the bulls. Coming to on the 2 hour chart, similar observations. What is happening? The price is a little divergent from the 2050, and now it is trying to take the support from 72.4. I have mentioned why 72.4 is a good support, and I have also discussed earlier in the day what has happened when oil hits 72.4. Now this has become a crucial support, and only selling entries below 72.4. So if you see it is staying below this, certainly it's a sell, else it is trying to bounce back when it can deliver higher highs. So now beyond 73.2, expect 73.5, 73.6 as the first target, and then you can expect oil to move towards 74. Stochastic rising back to overbought. MACD has hit a lows. It is trying to converge. A crossover here can mean a reversal. RSI rising as well. Coming to 3. On the 3 hour charts, the observation is same. See a bit of consolidation and a rise here. It can spike towards 73.5 or in fact 74 levels. Beyond this, it may turn bullish here. This is something which keep a note of, because see what is happening here and what did we discuss? Lower lows, higher highs. This is an expanding triangle, and I'll not say expanding triangle, but yes, the median here is right now at around 73.6. If you divide this into two, you will find 73.6 as the median. So only and only if you see oil trading above 73.6, you can say that it has turned. Else till 74, chances of reversal will exist strong. And if you see the stochastic, this is starting to rise. MACD, after trading with lot much of divergence, now trying to converge. A crossover here will mean a reversal. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 4 hour charts, also similar observation. Diminishing bearishness, support from 50 period, one bounce back, and now waiting for 73.2 to be taken. And if you see it is staying above 73.2, stay bullish for 73.5, 73.6, and 74. Beyond 74, we are looking forward to higher highs. It is going to move towards 75 levels very, very, very soon. Stochastic is starting to rise here. The MACD right now has crossed over, and it is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. What did we see earlier? That this is the wave it is delivering, and it is right now moving towards the bottom. So let's see if it crosses over, continues the journey on the downside. RSI has dropped here on the daily charts. Now oil here on the daily chart, see first of all, moving average is crossing over here. Second, the price is trading with divergence from the moving average. Third, what has happened yesterday, you can see higher lows, higher highs, lower lows in the one single candle, and now the median is at 73.6. So now also it can reverse, but I can see 72.4 is going to remain a pretty strong support for the day, and it is only to be treated bearish if it trades below 72.4. We can look forward to a greater correction. We are 72, 71.8 as the first target, 71.4 as the next, and then 71 level should below 71 is where we are looking forward to a greater correction. There is a possibility to it, because rise it could start to retrace, and notice that it is still trading in this bullish channel where the highs are done, the lows here are towards 71. So let's see if it continues to move towards this or bounces back. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD tried to converge, it is not yet crossed over. RSI has dropped here. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, very easy, buy at 73.2, expect 73.5, 73.6, and then 74. If it stays above 74, anyways, it's a reversal. Else, the selling entry today is only and only if you see it is staying below 72.4. Very, very clear. But yes, those who want to jump in early can sell at 72.8 and expect 72.6, 72.4. Once 72.4 is taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction where 72, 71.8 is going to be the first target, and then 71.4 the next, and 71 the third. Below that, a crash can be expected. Right now, the stance is not so aggressively bearish. So take your positions accordingly. Now, let's move to natural. So natural gas on the hourly chart, see what's happening here. Lower highs are seen and lower lows are seen. It is trying to create this nice flag here. After moving towards the highs, now it is trying to trade with the dip. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned 3.36, 3.34 zone, and now it is back to this zone. So if you now see it is staying below 3.34, you can take a sell and expect it to move towards 3.3. Below 3.3 is where you can expect more bearishness, but only bearishness is below 3.24 where it will turn bearish. Till 3.24 you should be careful here. It may try to bridge the gap and bounce back. Yes, there is a gap from the weak beginning. It can bounce back from these levels. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped sharp as well. On the 2 hour charts also similar observation here. Largely see previously it was trading in this bearish channel. It has come out of it, but it is trying to create something of its own. This is a narrowly bearish channel, and now the support level still towards 3.242 and 3.2 very, very strong. And also remember, any breakout beyond 3.45, 3.5 zone is a clear sign of reversal, because see, right now we can expect that it is after the drop it is under retracement, and if it breaks beyond 3.5 it is a clear cut sign of reversal here. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD again is trying to cross over for sell. This is a bearish sign here on the 2 hour charts. The RSI has dropped, which is also not a good sign. Coming to on the 3 hour time frame, similar observation. Right after the crossover trading bearish, it is now trading also below 20-50 period moving average. So if you see it is staying below 3.34, you can take a selling entry, expect it to move towards 3.3, and then specifically 3.3, 3.27, 3.24 are the three levels it needs to break in order to turn further bearish. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD at bottom, it is trying to again cross over for sell. It is not yet crossed over though. RSI is comfortable. When you see the 4H, on the 4H you can see again the crossover is important, and also hitting the lower highs and reversal. This is very important. Notice that it is also now trading below the critical support at 3.3634. So now any draw below 3.34 is a clear sign of further bearishness. Still 3.34, do not treat this as bearish. And on the upside, now I'll wait for it to stay above 3.4. Beyond 3.4 we can expect 3.4546, and any move beyond 3.4546 is a clear sign of bullishness. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green. The RSI is flat here. Coming to daily. Now notice what we have seen on the daily charts. I have mentioned this. Lower highs are there. Be respectful of this, and higher lows. So on the daily charts now, till towards 3.3 and 3.24, you have to be cautious. Only and only if it breaks below 3.24, you can say that the bears are back and it is coming out of this consolidation. The dip could be hard, dip could be strong. While on the upside now, till towards 3.45, 3.5, we have to be careful with the buys as well. So this is something. This is a consolidation where you have to exercise extra caution here. Right now, if you look at the daily charts, another way to look at it is here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. Taking the support, it can bounce back. Now the tomorrow's session and the next Monday session is going to be critical, where if it breaches beyond 3.5, 3.6, we can look forward to a greater rise here. Stochastic rising. The MACD is right now trading bearish, looking downwards. Not a good sign, not an encouraging sign for the bulls on the daily charts. RSI is dropped, and thus, if you now see net gas trading below 3.34, you can take a sell entry. But then 3.3, 3.31 should be very, very good support. Then 3.2728, the second one, and then 3.2425, the third one. So when you see such close support, you can see that very strong resistance should be offered here on the downside. And then if at all these support levels are taken, the momentum can be very, very strong. Right now I do not expect this to happen. Such a stronger slides towards 3.24 I do not expect, but yes, these are markets. Beyond 3.24 is where you can expect greater correction here. And on the upside, we know that 3.4 itself you can buy, but then 3.425, 3.45, and 3.5 are the three levels which it needs to break, and any movement above 3.5 is a clear sign of a greater reversal and a rise here in net gas. Thus, take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. You can also reach out to me for your queries related to the Signals channel and the mentorship batch. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. The first update tomorrow, again a big day for indices and commodities, specifically with the NFP data. Thus, do watch the first update for the day. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.